Want to build financial freedom while keeping it simple? Here are my top 5 beginner investments that can help you reach your goals faster. I'm Keenan, and welcome to Wander and Invest. Today, I'm breaking down the best investments for anyone looking to fund their freedom and live life on their terms. Investing is a powerful way to make money work for you, even while you're out exploring the world. First up, index funds. They're one of the easiest and most reliable ways to get into the stock market without picking individual stocks. Index funds offer diversification and tend to be lower risk, making them a great choice for beginners. Index funds provide steady growth that fits a freedom-focused lifestyle. Next on the list is dividend stocks. These are stocks from companies that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders regularly. Dividends create a passive income stream, perfect for those wanting extra cash flow for travel. Dividend stocks help cover small expenses while on the road. Investment number 3, real estate crowdfunding. Another great option is real estate crowdfunding. It allows you to invest in real estate projects with a small starting amount. It's a way to benefit from real estate without buying property. Real estate crowdfunding provides long-term growth, ideal for those who don't want traditional property responsibilities. Investment number 4, ETFs or exchange-traded funds. ETFs work a lot like index funds but can be traded on the stock market throughout the day. ETFs are flexible, diversified, and beginner-friendly. ETFs give exposure to different sectors, allowing your portfolio to grow as you focus on your travels. Investment number 5, high-yield savings accounts. Finally, let's talk about high-yield savings accounts. While it's not exactly an investment, it's a safe way to grow your savings. High-yield savings accounts provide liquidity and low risk, perfect for emergency funds. These accounts keep accessible funds for spontaneous travel opportunities. These 5 investment options are perfect for beginners who want to grow their money and fund a life of freedom and adventure. If you found this helpful and want to learn more about financial freedom, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Here's to smart investments and an adventurous life. See you in the next video.